Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with admin access and a quick backup of /etc/network manager. This preserves known good settings before changes. Once done, identify interfaces using nmcli device status or IP link so you know targets. Next, decide the connection type, Ethernet for wired, Wi-Fi for wireless, or VPN/bridge for advanced routing, because each follows a slightly different flow. Make sure to note SSIDs, passwords, and static IP requirements so you avoid rework when creating profiles. You now create or modify connection profiles with nmcli connection add or nmcli connection modify because profiles make changes repeatable. When assigning IPs, choose DHCP for simplicity or set IP for. Addresses, gateway, and IP for. DNS for static addresses. This ensures predictable routing and resolution. For Wi-Fi, specify SSID and 802.11 security settings and store the password in the profile. Also enable connection. Auto-connect when you want persistent links and confirm permissions so Network Manager can. You activate the new profile using nmcli connection upname or nmcli device connect interface. Then verify active connections with nmcli connection, show active and inspect routes with IP route. Once up, test connectivity by pinging a reliable host. This confirms DNS and routing. If things go wrong, check Network Manager logs via journal.u Network Manager to find authentication or DHCP errors. If an IP conflict or misconfigured DNS appears, revert to the backup config.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.